It's about 9:15 in the evening right now. Winds are very strong and we've seen a fluffy snow, so it's having no problem blowing around right now, about a ½ inch, but you can see the implications of a ½ inch of very fluffy snow and the strong winds that we're seeing out here. Pretty cool stuff, just getting blown around the powder. Winds moderate and variable right now. Snowing heavily. Snowing at least an inch an hour. This path was made about 15 minutes ago. It's already covered over by about at least a quarter, ½ inch of snow, so it's certainly snowing very heavily out here. At least 6 inches we've had. I can take you over here. You can get an idea of the accumulations. Pretty impressive stuff. Heavy snow continues to fall at this time. Rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Just walked out there and I know there's at least a foot. Look how heavy this stuff is falling. It is just amazing. We're certainly going to verify my 8 to 12 inches plus here. At times, blizzard conditions. It's 5:30 in the morning. It's been snowing since about 9 at night, and we've already got very deep snow out here. Very impressive storm. Wow. Full-on blizzard conditions right now. First light right now in Wayland. Most of the heaviest snow is over. You can get an idea for how much we've had and how fast it's been accumulating. This was plowed about an hour or two ago, and we have at least another inch or two. So it's been snowing at an inch an hour, but since then it's really calmed down. It's just snowing lightly right now. It's about 7 in the morning. We had it wind down just about when we expected it to wind down. It's very cold. It's been a pretty wet snow, to be honest, but we haven't had any damage this time around, luckily enough. I'm estimating we had over a foot, but I'm going to get you an official measurement this afternoon. Pretty impressive stuff.